Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to use dictation on your Mac. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, just click on the Apple icon. Now go on System Preferences. Now here you can see keyboard option. Just click on keyboard. Under keyboard, you can see here on top side 5 sections of keyboard: text, shortcuts, input sources, and the last dictation. You can see here dictation. Use dictation wherever you can type text to start dictating. Use the shortcut or select start dictation from the edit menu. What I have to do, just click on this on. Now click on enable dictation. Now from here select the language. You can select multiple language as well. Then click on OK. Now here is a shortcut key to open your mic. Just click on this and select the key which you want to use to open your dictation option. Press FN function key twice to open your dictation, or press right command key twice, press left command key twice, press either command key twice, or you can customize it as well. What I will use press control key twice. I will press my control key twice to open my dictation. Okay, so let me give you example as well. As you can see, I have opened my notes. Okay, now I will press 2 times my control key. As you can see, my mic is on. Hello everyone, my name is dash dash dash, and I am the owner of How to Tech Hub YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see, I am speaking to my Mac and dictating to my Mac. This is the pretty simple step to open your dictation option on your Mac. Okay, one more thing, if you want to close this dictation option, what you have to do, just again press control key 2 times. As you can see, it is closed now. So this is the step to open your dictation option and close your dictation option. And if you want to close it, again go on System Preferences, on this keyboard section, dictation, and click on turn it off option, turn off dictation. Now it is off. Now if you double click your control option, it will not open. You can see here. Do you want to enable dictation? If you want to enable it, click on OK. If you don't want, click on not now. So this is the simple step to open your dictation. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.